In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to add cracked or non-Steam games to your Steam library. This also works for any game or program outside of Steam, like Fortnite from Epic Games or even software like OBS. Let's get in. First, launch your Steam. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the Library tab. At the bottom left corner, you'll see an option that says Add a Game. Click it. From the drop-down menu, select Add a non-Steam game. Steam will now generate a list of programs and games it can detect on your computer. You might see apps like OBS, After Effects, or even some installed games here. If the game you want to add shows up in the list, simply tick the box next to it and click Add Selected Programs. But if a game is not listed, click Browse. Navigate to the folder where your game is installed, usually in Program Files or wherever you saved it. Select the game's executable file and click Open. Now back in Steam, you'll see your game selected. Click Add Selected Programs. And just like that, it's added to your Steam library. You'll see it appear at the top of your game list. Keep in mind, since it's a non-Steam game, it won't have the official cover art or Steam features like achievements by default. But you can still launch it directly from Steam and even set custom artwork if you'd like. And that's it. That's how you add cracked or non-Steam games to Steam. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.